whole bunch of dandelions just growing in your yard that haven't been sprayed, and you're like wondering what you can do with them. Well, what you can do is actually make an essential oil. It's super easy. All you need is 2 cups grapeseed oil, a bunch of dandelion heads, and a slow cooker. Now, this part is super easy. What I do is I just put it all together in my slow cooker, and then I put my slow cooker on low for 2 hours. And kind of watch it, because if it looks like it's going to burn, turn it down to warm. And I put it on warm for 6 hours. After the 6 hours, I let my oils just cool completely to room temperature. I like to wear gloves, so before you ever use gloves, always wash your hands or use hand sanitizer. So I'm washing my hands before I put gloves on. And you can do this without gloves, it's just messy. And so I just try to, life's as messy as is, so I like to just put some gloves on. So after you have your gloves on, you're going to get your supplies together. I get a clean jar, and then I get a bowl with a strainer and a cheesecloth. And once I get this all set up, I'm actually just going to pour my dandelion oil into the cheesecloth. Once you have all your oil into your cheesecloth, then you're just going to squeeze the goods out. Squeeze, 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 squeeze until nothing else comes out. This is what the good stuff is, and you want it all. And after you have it all squeezed out, take your gloves off, clean your hands, and then you're going to pour it into the clean jar. Make sure you get everything out and then label and date it. And you have dandelion oil you can use for soaps, lotions, and salves. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on the Instagram at Sarah. Thank you and have a great day.